In this video, I'm going to show you how to add windshield wiper fluid to your car. This process is good for any type of vehicle because they're all basically the same. This is windshield wiper fluid. Windshield wiper fluid is used when you're cleaning your windshield. These spouts will spray the liquid and then your wipers will wipe it so that you can clean your windshield. You're going to want to get a formula depending on where you live. This one says it won't freeze until -20. We are in Colorado, so this is perfect. First step is you need to pop your hood. It's usually some kind of pull lever underneath the steering wheel. Once you get it open, you're going to locate where your windshield wiper fluid goes. It typically is a yellow cap on a clear tube, and most of the time it'll say washer fluid only. You want to make sure that you don't put it in something that looks like this. This connects into your radiator, which is your engine coolant. That is not where it goes. So if you're not sure, stop at this point and ask somebody for some help. It's typically going to look like this though. All right, just took the lid off, broke the foil packaging, popped this open, and then you're just going to start pouring until it fills up. If you're completely out, you'll use the full gallon. In my case, you can see that I'm full. I was only halfway empty, and it's that simple. Go ahead and close this lid and close up your hood. I hope that video was helpful for you. Thanks for watching.